right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
We find ourselves caught in a battle between two dooms with no way of truly knowing which one of them is right.
We would be better off making a deal with Mephisto.
I have done that, Wanda. I can assure you we most certainly would not.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area. No, just me.
I am strengthened for battle. The mystic arts won't fail me again. Sniper, look out!
Lethal precision!
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Hands are shaking again. Focus.
Better stop that vehicle! Hits the ground!
Damn it, never!
Stop them!
Power beyond sight!
Better stop that vehicle! There's still a chance to stop them!
Ionic! The Sorcerer Supreme returns.
Release the Glortrons!
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Good medicine. Power beyond sight. Enemy in front of us. By the eye of Agamotto. Power beyond sight. Good medicine. assassin!
Need some help.
Power beyond sight!
No complaints.
Ionic magic!
It's the grand finale! I am ready to put on a show!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns!
Damn it, never
It's now or never! Stop them! Please.
I am strengthened for battle. Ionic magic! By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
Don't give them another inch! Or else.
Release the Glotron!
Better stop that vehicle!
Still got an
Deep
edge.
freeze. The current score is 0, 2, 3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2!
Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Adonde está la biblioteca?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
This game has...
We find your explosive abilities to be quite disorienting.
That's kind of the point. They wouldn't do me much good in battle if they were just for show, right?
The louder they get, the more we want to devour you whole.
Good to know.
The battle starts in 5,
Down from
4,
the July
3,
finale to
2,
barbecue.
1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Aha! There they are!
I like the cool.
I am strengthened for battle. An unseen assist!
I like the cool.
Ionic magic! See there? A sniper! I am strengthened for battle. An unseen assist!
There they are.
That sniper is not okay.
to Khonshu!
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Strange ally.
Youch, that hurts!
Gambit never falls!
Good medicine.
Worth looking at.
Be strong together. I love the cold. Time for a blow! Disappear!
Ancient beast of Ixgar, we shall guide you.
It's the grand finale!
I am strengthened for battle. Power beyond sight!
I like the cold.
Power beyond sight! Almost got out. I have unfinished business here.
Blow up! Need some help.
By the eye!
Anyone willing to help?
By the eye of... By the shades of the Seraphim, I return. We will not fail you,
Get that
Ravatos.
vehicle moving again!
Release the Glotron!
Leave them to Khonshu!
I am strength for battle. We must confront Dracula himself for this curse. An arcane assist, so to speak. Nobody can stand up against a full-strength Scarlet Witch.
Gambit never falls!
I like the cold. Need some help.
Good medicine.
I suck. Disappear! No better to lead you to Dracula than a vampire, right?
气贯长虹！
Hands are shaking again. Focus.
Time for a blow-up! See them? Right there. How?
I'll admit, I enjoyed that.
Let the sparks fly!
Let's get to that spoon.
Need some help. Only 60 seconds left.
Leave them to Khonshu!
An unseen assist.
A nice deep freeze.
Time for Dracula to pay up.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Good medicine. on sight!
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way!
The Cauldron!
I am strengthened.
Only 60 seconds left!
Damn it, never fall!
By the eye!
I like the cold.
Our enemies
So close!
are... We must confront Dracula himself to lift this curse.
Down to 30 seconds! The current score is 3-2-3. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 3,
Magic is not the
go!
only invisible force in play here.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
So, you commune with ancient gods once in a blue moon, right, Doc?
On occasion, but to serve as one's avatar must be exhausting.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't comment. Khonshu is always listening.
Perhaps a divine
The
exorcism
battle starts in
order
5,
once our
4,
work here is done.
3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Or am I imagining this?
I am strengthened. Power beyond sight!
Strong together. More than ever. Down to 30 seconds. Help get that vehicle to its destination. The final 10 seconds.
An unseen assist!
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime.
Enemy in front of us!
The current score is 4-2-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Things are looking bright.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
There is great chaos in you, woman. Chaos and darkness.
You're one to talk, Venom.
It was not an insult. We find it strangely attractive.
Somehow you just made me want to say
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Despite the obvious, it's unlikely this mission will be a walk in the park.
I suck.
I am strengthened for battle. Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
Battle is coming.
An unseen assist! I have
We
an
need to stop
unfinished
that vehicle
business
in its
here.
tracks.
Of course you needed help.
Only 60 seconds left. I suck. Disappear!
Those medicines. Ionic magic!
The final 10 seconds! Nowhere yet. Going to overtime!
Power beyond sight! By the eye of Agamotto! An unseen assist! Hands are shaking again. Focus.
Better stop that vehicle!
I'm opening a portal.
5. Well, you can't expect to win them all. Pick your hero. Or villain. I'm not judging.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Punch it up!
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Can you use your magic to erase events from someone's mind, Stephen?
I can. I once made the entire world forget that Spider-Man was really... whoever he is. Why?
I've been having flashbacks ever since I escaped from Wait, really?
The battle starts in 5, 4,
But don't factor
3,
me making the world forget
2,
about mutants
1.
into one of your many plans.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Even the Phoenix acknowledges how important this battle is.
Knew I saw trouble.
Good medicine. Ionic magic!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Mission area is yours.
Good job, team. The area is
I am strengthened for battle. An unseen assist!
The right heroes could make all the difference. Round one, go!
Open your eyes. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
You know, Stark Industries would be glad to cut a deal with Tiger Division to upgrade your tech.
Upgrade? Our systems are bleeding edge. We phased out Stark Tech years ago. You're obsolete, Tony.
Oh, ouch. You really know how to pick eye wear coats.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
I may look young, but trust me.
Good medicine. Our enemies are near.
I don't have to do this stage.
Power beyond sight!
Over here!
He's a sociopath, but the man gets results.
A nice deep freeze.
Ready to radiate.
I am strengthened for battle.
Enemies on approach.
A nice deep freeze.
An unseen assist!
I suppose money can buy power, Tony.
This rogue!
Need some ranged firepower. Usually I create my own shield. It doesn't prep you for war. Power beyond sight!
Step closer to saving the world.
They're on your tail.
Team strike!
Cage can't hold.
Here comes trouble! I've got yours.
Good medicine. An unseen assist.
A nice deep freeze.
Fear Magneto!
I like the cold. Only 60 seconds left.
Power beyond sight. I am strengthened for battle. Pulse charge, fire! The mystic arts won't fail
Down
me
to
again.
30 seconds.
Their attack is almost exhausted.
Spider mode.
I'm doing this my way!
Final 10 seconds!
The moon haunts you!
Us against... The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic is not the only invisible force in play here.
Rapid fire!
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Luna Snow! I know all of your songs. It's always an honor to meet a fan. そうなの? おばあちゃん loved to play them on the oldies station for me. Wow. For a girl with ice powers, I suddenly feel pretty uncool.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Spider Scanner's located in Ankh. Orbit was my life. But wouldn't it be fabulous to have an all-superhero band? I put the Ankh on ice.
Enemy in front. Good medicine.
I suck.
Mortal pain is no match for the Sorcerer Supreme.
Final score 1-2-0. Another epic victory! Big win!
you